Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a detailed flip through of this all new paper collection by Echo Park called Hello Valentine. And oh my goodness, guys, it is so stinking cute. I mean, I've only looked at these papers because I did get some single sheets, but I haven't actually looked at everything in detail yet. So we're going to do that together. But just looking at it, oh my gosh, I am obsessed. It reminds me a lot of last year's collection by Echo Park called Cupid & Co. I love it so much, guys. So I wanted to share with you guys all the papers in here, the cut aparts, the sticker sheet, and we're also gonna look at the 6x6 paper pad. So I'm actually gonna start off with this one, the 6x6. So let's get started and right into my video so I can show you guys the detailed flip through of this Hello Valentine collection by Echo Park. Okay, so first up we have the paper pad. Oh my goodness, so excited. So here, this first sheet has these little like stamps. You could totally use these as embellishments or, you know, just use it as full size. And the back side of that has this pretty red design right there. Then you also get some cut aparts here. These look like 3x3 size cut aparts. We got with love, special delivery, Valentine, you are so sweet, and happy heart day. How adorable. Love that little envelope. That is very, very cute. Then on the back side of that, you've got like this grid pattern there. Then you also have this floral pattern with like a white wood grain back. And on the back of that, you've got this actual wood grain pattern. Then this looks just like from last year's Cupid & Co. I remember seeing this paper, so they may have reused this one, but I love this one. So I'm happy with that. It's got little hearts and lines and polka dots. Then the back side of that is this pink pattern right there. Then you've got these cut aparts. These look like 2x2s and 3x4s here. So you got the love letters, you've got like a tic-tac-toe, you've got kiss me, a heart, and will you be my Valentine? Then the back side of that has a bunch of like Valentine's Day words. They are very small, but I see it says Happy Valentine's Day, hugs and kisses, be mine, my funny Valentine, love story, so sweet, be mine, my funny Valentine, and just a bunch of like cute little things there. Then you've got these letters here, and on the back you've got this plaid pattern. You've got some of these smaller florals, and on the back you've got these hearts, very pretty. You've got some of these 3x3 cut aparts, Valentine flowers, love you on a typewriter, crazy in love, and these hearts that all say love you, and some of them are blank, but some say love you. You've got this black and white stripes on the back, and then you've got another wood grain kind of background with like heart flower looking things. And the back side is like this buffalo check pattern. Then you've got these like mason jars with flowers or vase with flowers. The back side looks like so. Then you've got 2x2s and 3x4s again, hugs and kisses, love, actual like stamp kind of thing, XOXO and happy Valentine's Day. I thought these pages were gonna repeat. Oh, they do. Okay, we'll get there. Then you've got hearts on the back. You've got this flower bouquet. And then this on the back, these hearts. And then this repeats now. So that's the same as the first page here. All right, so that is the 6x6 Hello Valentine paper pad. Okay, and here is the 12x12 collection kit. You get this cover sheet as always, and sometimes I use this part up here to make a card, and you could even use the sentiment on the center that says Hello Valentine and use that as a decoration. You could even probably cut out the XOXO and the florals, whatever else. They are like the little glossy kind of paper, but I do use these for cards if I need more scraps. You've got the stamps. I like that this one is a little bit larger, so especially if you were going to cut this up and use them as embellishments. They're really, really cute, like postage looking stamp things. Then on the back side, you have this pattern. It's like, you've got like the lines, and in between each one, it has these little hearts. Then you've got the cut aparts. You make my heart so very happy. I'm delivering lots of love to you. Will you be my Valentine? Happy Valentine's Day. Love is so sweet with you. Sending you lots of love. Hugs and kisses, Valentine wishes. You've got this heart. You've got this cut apart like journaling card. Love you forever. True love between you and I, and XOXO. And the back side has this pink white grid pattern. Then this page has this florals with like a white wood grain back. And the back side is this wood grain. Then you've got these hearts on like the wood grain back with some polka dots in here. And then the other side looks like so. Just like a neutral pattern, which we always need. Then you've got these cut aparts. You've got 4x6 cut aparts. So be mine. Oh, how I love you so very much. Let me count the ways. Oh my God, that would make such a cute cover for like a little booklet to say how much you love somebody and all the different ways. Maybe you want to do like the alphabet of love. That is such a cute cut apart for that. And then you've got love is in the air, some 2x2s, another stamp, XOXO, love, kiss me, love letters, hugs and kisses. And then vertical or horizontal, sorry, cut aparts at the bottom, Hello Valentine and XOXO. And the back side has the words. I'm not going to read these again because I read them in the 6x6, but they are a little bit bigger here. Then you've got these love letters. You've got a little mailbox. Very cute. And the back side has like this buffalo kind of check pattern with the pink and the white. Then you've got these florals. There's little hearts thrown in between. And the back side has this heart pattern. Then you've got these 4x4 cut aparts with love, Valentine, you are so sweet, happy heart day, kissing booth, pucker up, buttercup, only 5 cents a smooch, how cute, Valentine flowers, special delivery, crazy in love, this love thing, and the love you typewriter, just like in the 6x6. And then the back side has the stripes. Then you've got this with the hearts and some like leafy bits, kind of making it look like heart flowers. And the back side has the black and white buffalo pattern. Then you've got the flowers in like a jar. So it could be like a little mason jar kind of thing. And then you've got the back with just hearts. Then you've got the 4x6 horizontal cut aparts, wishing you a truckload of love. I love you with every bit of my heart. Be my Valentine. Hey there, Valentine. Crazy in love with you. And a true love story never ends. And then the back side has these hearts. And then you've got the bouquet of flowers. And the back side has these hearts. And then we're onto the sticker sheet, which looks like so. Ooh, these are so cute. So February 14th, I like how some of these are not that big. Like a lot of them are smaller. I mean, okay, maybe not. That's a lie. A lot of them are actually kind of big. But I could see like being able to use this as like a tuck spot. I would probably de-stick some of it and use it as a tuck spot. Same thing with this truck. And then you've got like some like tag kind of things that you could always use. I do like them though. Oh my gosh, I love this collection. It reminds me so much of the Cupid & Co. from last year that I was so obsessed with. I used like 3 6x6 paper pads last year, and I think I used 2 12x12 collection kits. I can't remember, but I know I used a lot of that paper. So I definitely got 2 6x6 this time and 2 12x12 collection kits as well. I love it. And then I got some extra sheets as well. I have a feeling this one's going to sell out. So I'm going to have a link down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing this collection. I think it's adorable. Let me know what you guys think of it. And happy shopping if you guys are going to be purchasing it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.